Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a baby shower card. And I am going to start off with the Abstract Beauty Specialty Designer Series paper. It is a gorgeous pack of paper. We're also going to be using the Easter Friends for the little duck image, the Happy and Heartfelt stamp set for the sentiment, and we have two die sets we're going to be using. They are the Painted Labels dies and the Pinned Flowers dies. So we're going to be using this and this little scallop border. I've already die cut this one, but the other one we will be doing it when we get to our project. But of course, as always, before we start our project, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So I have here our Safari Celebration Paper Pumpkin Kit. This kit can be subscribed to up until February 10th, so you have about 5 more days to subscribe to get this particular kit. This kit creates 9 cards with coordinating envelopes, and I will have a link in the description box below if you want to subscribe to the Paper Pumpkin. And speaking of the Paper Pumpkin, we have pick exclusive celebration products for free when you purchase a prepaid Paper Pumpkin subscription from January 4th to February 28th. So with each subscription level, a 3-month, 6-month, or 12-month, you can earn free celebration items. This is the best way to get your Paper Pumpkin because you can buy it prepaid and don't have to worry about it for a couple of months. Next, we have our kit collections. These are the kits that can only be found online at stampinup.com/kits. If you're interested in any of our kits besides the Paper Pumpkin, head on over there and check these out to see what we have available. And we now have our All Together collection available for our customers. This is the collection that includes the Here Together stamp set, Here For You dies, the All Together 6x6 Designer Series paper, and the Natural Tone Stampin' Blends collection, which includes 10 separate colors, okay? Now, some of these items are while supplies last, so I would suggest you get them while you can. Next up, we have our sign up promotion. Meaning when you sign up to be a Stampin' Up Demonstrator, as a hobbyist, as a business builder, or even as a discount shopper, you just sign up to get the discount. Only during celebration, you get 2 free stamp sets when you join Stampin' Up. So if you would like to join Stampin' Up and join my team, Honeybee Stamping Hive, I would love to have you. I told you before I had a goal to get 4 to 5 new members on our team before celebration is over. So I really, really would like for you to join our team. And the starter kit costs $99. If you're going to spend $99, I think the starter kit is the best way to go because you get $125 worth of products and you're only going to pay $99 plus tax, free shipping. And it's any products that you choose. Your kit is customizable just the way you want it. Only thing you can't get in your kit are celebration items and host items. Everything else you can put on in there. And I don't have my monthly host code printed out, but it is over on my blog at honeybeestampinghive.com. And it will also be on my Facebook page at Honeybee Stamping Hive. That is the host code that I would like for you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. If your order is $150 or more, do not use that host code because you will be awarded Stampin' Rewards from Stampin' Up, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product. Okay? So that is all our buzzworthy business, and I'm reaching over here to get all of our products that we need. So we're also going to be using some metallic pearls, some Night of Navy, and I think this is just like a 1/4 inch. I'm not even sure. It was just a scrap, and I just thought I'd get it. We have some Blushing Bride, which is, I think, what is this? 2 3/8 by 2 7/8, and this is 2.5 by 2 3/4. This I'm not sure what size. It's 5.5 by 4 3 2 3/4. 5.5 by 2 3/4. This is just some scraps, so we're going to die cut, and then this is our die cut I told you I already did, and we're going to go ahead and get started. These are inside pieces, 5 by 4 3/4, 5 by 3 3/4, 3.5 by 4 3/4, and this is just like a 1/2 inch by 4. So let's see. Let's go ahead and stamp the inside of our card. That's what we're going to do. And I have some Blushing Bride ink here. And we're going to stamp congratulations right here in Blushing Bride. Okay, and then we're going to get some Night of Navy. And we're going to stamp, we have to celebrate this. And I'm using pink and blue because we don't know what the baby's gender is going to be. Okay, so now I need some glue. And we're going to glue this on to the bottom of our card. This paper is so pretty. I don't know if you can see it, but this paper has little gold like triangles and circles all over. So pretty. I thought this was the perfect colors for a baby shower card, especially when you don't know the gender. It's for my sister-in-law. She is pregnant right now with, well, maybe not when this video is showing. She should have already had the baby. But she, this is her 4th child, and she never finds out the gender until she gives birth. I don't know how she does it. I could not do it with all of my children. I wanted to know as soon as I could. Like, I'd like to prepare ahead of time, and I like to buy whatever it is. Like, I like to buy the colors and the themes and everything per the gender. But if she is a strong person to be able to hold out, I'm telling you that now, I wouldn't be able to do it. I like to know. I get too excited and I'm like, oh my gosh, I would drive my husband crazy. I want to know. No, I don't. Yes, I do. No, I don't. So I'm just like, just tell me. Just tell me already and get it over with. Okay, we're going to put this on the inside of our card here. This is coming along pretty quick already. Okay, let's close up this glue. Next, we're going to stamp the little duck. I have some Memento Tuxedo Black ink for this image here. Let's see. And we're going to stamp him about right there. Perfect. It is a sketchy image, so it's stamped correctly. Next, what are we going to do? How about let's stamp our last item, which is our sentiment, and we're going to use this in Night of Navy. We're going to stamp hello, baby. Just like that. Perfect. Now let's get out our baby boss so that we can do some die cutting. Where did I put the dies? So we need this little border here. And we're going to cut this. Let me get my plates. We're just going to cut an edge off of here. Put this out of the way. Let me go ahead and put this up right now, especially since it's the only die that I use. All right, so now we can start assembling our card. And I want to go ahead and glue this strip onto here. I think I'm going to need my silicone mat. So let me see. This end got kind of bent up, so I want to start. And I'm going to just put this on here just about right behind the little dots. So I'm just going to add a little glue. And I want the little stitched edge to show. So I'm going to just back that up just a bit from the stitched edge. We'll get our scissors and cut this off. I don't even know if this is, yeah, it's the same size. Okay. I didn't know if I had cut that down or not, but it's 5.5 inches. Next, what are we going to do? Oh, I'm going to add this to it. Just like that. Just like that. So we're going to go ahead and add some glue here. And add our designer series paper. Put that right up against that Night of Navy. And then we're going to take this whole thing and put it on our card base. Okay. And this card base is the same length of the card, so it's 5.5. We're going to put this all the way over to the left-hand side. Making sure it's even top and bottom. Oh, my glue is coming out. Oh, no. I didn't get any glue on the bottom here. I was wondering why is it coming up. Okay, there we go. Now we got it. Okay, so now that part is done. Now what we need to do is some coloring. So I have the Stampin' Blend So Saffron, the dark and the light. And we're going to start with the dark and just go over the edges, not the edges, but the shaded areas that the artist at Stampin' Up has already shaded for us. We're going to do that in dark. So Saffron. Just a little scribble. This is such a cute stamp set. When I seen it, the first thing I told you guys, the first thing I saw was a baby card. I know it says Happy Easter, but first thing I thought of was a baby card. And then we're going to take our light and color in the rest. Let me see. I should be coloring in with this side because it's a bigger image. It'll go faster. Okay, and the one color I did forget to get out is our pumpkin pie. And I do believe I want to use the dark pumpkin pie for his bill. And his feet. I say his feet because I'm hoping the baby is a boy. They have 3 girls already, so hopefully this one will be a boy. I know she's just hoping for a healthy baby, which I am too. But it would be awesome if they had a little boy. Okay. Because we would be opposite. I have 3 boys and 1 girl. They would have 3 girls and 1 boy. That would be cute. Okay, we have that there. And I think I want to put this up on dimensionals. So let me go ahead and get those out. Put dimensionals in the corners. And maybe one in the middle, I guess. We'll go ahead and add this to our card. Do I want it down? Yeah, I think I'm going to put it a little lower than I normally would. Hopefully that's straight. Then we're going to get our sentiment. We're going to pop this up right here. So I'm going to put a dimensional at the top of this. Let me make sure I'm at the top. Hold that there. And so we'll put a little bit of liquid glue on the bottom here to attach it to the image layer. Just going to put that right there, like that. Isn't that super cute? Okay, then we're going to get our Take Your Pick tool and our little metallic pearls. These things, we've had these around for a good little while. And I haven't even used them all up because I forget them. Look how tiny the package is. I forget that they're even in my little bling folder. So let's see. We're going to use quite a bit of these on this card. I'm trying to see where I want to put them. Where do I want them? I know I want more than 3. Oh no, come back here. We're gonna bling this card out. So that's 5. I think I want one up here. Maybe some on the paper. Maybe 2 more. 2 more. Yeah, I wanna bling this out. Let's see. Maybe one right there. And one down there. Yes, a blinged out card for the baby. Well, it's for the mom, but because of the baby. So this is our card. Isn't it cute? Hello, baby. Congratulations. We have to celebrate this. I love this card. It's so pretty. Okay, you guys, that is all I have for you today. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.